So last year, I came over here, this is Camp Rainy Mountain, to take my son to the ROTC camp. And I took a real cool video of how I was here when I was a kid and how cool it was to be back. And how I started sailing here on this lake behind me. With those little sunfish you might be able to see. I'd be able to see those boats over there. Anyway, it was a really cool little video, and then the next thing you know, I went to Boston. I took a water taxi, and my phone fell in the bottom of the Boston Harbor, or as they say, Boston Harbor. And so I thought I'd try to recreate the video. So let's see how that goes. So when I was a Boy Scout, I guess I was about 11 or 12 years old, I ended up taking a small boat sailing class, and it started my passion for trying to learn to sail. Of course, years went by and I never did it. And now I'm in my 40s and I've started trying to sail. But it's pretty cool to come back to here, Camp Rainy Mountain, where as a scout I started, and see where the dream began. So just wanted to get that recorded.